Good morning, students. We are continuing with our chapter 7, The World of Living. In this session, we will continue our topic, Classification of Plants. Students, in the last session, we have studied classification of plants on the basis of height, size, and shape, on the basis of lifespan. In this session, we will study classification of plants on the basis of flowers, habitats, and nutrition. Classification on the basis of flowers. There are a number of plants on the earth. Some plants bear flowers, while others do not have flowers. Plants which bear flowers are called flowering plants. Mango, neem, rose, sunflower, and grasses are some of the examples of flowering plants. The plants which do not bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. Algae, mosses, mushroom, and fern are some of the examples of non-flowering plants. Classification of plants on the basis of habitats. Students, the place where plants or animals live, get food, and interact with the environment is called their habitat. Plants and animals live and adapt themselves to their habitat. The habitat may be terrestrial, land, or aquatic. Terrestrial or land habitats can be deserts, mountains, or grasslands. Aquatic habitats can be ponds, rivers, lakes, or oceans. On the basis of the natural habitat, plants have been classified into three categories: mesophytes, xerophytes, and hydrophytes. Mesophytes. These plants grow on land and need moderate amount of water supply for their survival. They have medium-sized roots and bear normal green leaves. Some examples of mesophytes are mango tree, apple tree, etc. Xerophytes. These plants grow in deserts. They need very small amounts of water for their survival. They have long roots which go deep into ground. They bear thin and spiny leaves which help to minimize their water loss. Some examples of xerophytes are cacti, babool, etc. Hydrophytes. These plants need maximum amount of water. Hence, they grow in water. They have either very small roots or no roots at all. They bear leaves coated with thin film. This film helps to protect them in water. Some examples of hydrophytes are lotus, water lily, etc. Classification on the basis of nutrition. On the basis of their mode of nutrition, plants have been divided into two categories: autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs. These plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. All green plants belong to this category. Heterotrophs. These plants cannot prepare their own food. They use the food synthesized by other plants or animals. Heterotrophs are again divided into two categories, saprophytes and parasites. Saprophytes. Saprophytes are plants which feed on dead and decaying bodies. Mushroom and fungus are examples of saprophyte plants. Parasites. Parasites are plants that feed on other living bodies. Dodder and orchids are examples of parasite plants. Students, now we have completed classification of plants. In the next session, we will study classification of animals. Till then, take care. Goodbye.